For download a video of the page of YouTube, you must enter to the video that field on the superior part. You can load the link of this. Then you must click in the link and with the delete key on the computer, you eliminate the letters HTTPS //www dot and in this moment you write SS and therefore you do click and automatically the download page appears on the computer screen and it gave you some options. It is your decision. It is depends of the format that want to use. Set success, you have already made your first download.